question is from one Ahmadi lady. She would like to ask, can one break away from one's genes? If it is to be good or bad, does one deserve credit for doing good or punishment for being bad? Can genes be regrouped? If so, can they then be categorized in genes or DNA?
You see, man is not controlled by genes in the sense that he is left to no option. If you claim that because of genes everybody does whatever he does, then why is there punishment? Why thieves should be punished? Why murderers should be punished? They can all claim it is because of our genes. So despite the genes, man has an option. He is free to do good or do bad. And because of this option, he is either rewarded or punished. You understand?
How far genes play a role in man's character and making decisions?
Genes make a man capable of doing anything he likes. The question of genes is a very profound question. Everything is created with genes, and the creation of genes itself is an enigma for scientists. They cannot resolve this enigma of how genes were created. They have to admit that there is a creator, God, who must have created genes, because in the very early life you find genes. And wherever there are genes, there is complexity. Immensely difficult questions arise how genes were created. It's not jinn, it is gene. Remember this. And creation of genes is an enigma for scientists up to now. They cannot resolve it. Although they are atheists, but when you question them about genes, can't explain how genes got developed. So this is a different question from the one you asked before, which I have answered. So there is a second question which I have answered now.